If you want to generate a comprehensive report of your performance of your online presence for your local business, this is the way to do it, and you can do it for free. So you can see this very impressive report that I'm showing you. And in the next video, I'm actually going to break it down and I'll explain everything. You'll see the link for that video at the end of this one. But basically, what you can do is you can generate this whole report for free, and it's going to tell you almost pretty much everything you need to know about the performance of your online presence, from your Google business profile to your website to your social channels, in one easy to digest report. So the good news is this is absolutely free, and the only thing you need to do to generate it is you go right over here to BrightLocal. I'll put the link in the description, and you just go to this specific page. Again, I'll just put that link in there, but it's a page where you can access this. And you just go to try for free for this local search. It's a 14-day free trial, and you can generate this report for free. I do recommend you check out their services because they're awesome if you're serious about growing your business. But you just put in your name, your company name, and then you just find your business profile. It'll pop up when you type in the name of your business, and you'll add your website link, and then it'll generate this full report for you. So click on that link for the next video, and I'll generate a report for a small business, a local business, explain what everything means and what they can do with that information to grow their business and their performance online. Thanks for joining me.